Deep within the humid depths of the tropical rainforest, a terrifying microscopic killer silently infiltrates the bodies of unsuspecting foraging ants. This is the zombie ant fungus, a highly specialized parasitic organism capable of completely hijacking a living creature's brain and motor functions. Once the microscopic fungal spores pierce the ant's hard outer shell, they rapidly multiply inside its body, taking control of its nervous system. The infected insect becomes a helpless prisoner in its own body, forced to abandon its colony duties and wander blindly into the jungle. Driven by the chemical commands of the sinister parasite, the zombie ant begins a frantic, literal death march up the nearest plant stalk. The fungus forces the host to climb to a precise height of exactly 10 inches above the ground, where humidity levels are optimal. Under absolute chemical hypnosis, the ant clamps its jaws onto the underside of a leaf in a terrifying, permanent lock called a death bite. With the host insect completely immobilized, the aggressive parasite finally kills the ant, consuming its internal organs for raw biological energy. Soon, a bizarre, alien-like fungal stalk violently bursts through the back of the dead ant's head, growing steadily over several days. This horrific, alien structure swells with millions of fresh spores, transforming the corpse into a biological weapon designed for mass infection. When the capsule ruptures, it rains a deadly cloud of invisible spores down upon the forest floor below, targeting the ant trails. Any healthy foraging ant that walks through this microscopic zone of death is instantly marked for the exact same mind-controlling fate. Entomologists tracking these global outbreaks have discovered entire graveyards of calcified zombie ants, where thousands of dead bodies line the vegetation. The terrifying efficiency of this biological body snatcher allows it to effortlessly decimate entire colonies if left unchecked by natural defenses. To protect the queen and the nest, healthy guard ants will violently drag infected workers far away from the colony borders. They quarantine the sick individuals in a desperate, evolutionary race to prevent the apocalyptic spread of the fungal parasite's deadly spores. Modern scientists are currently studying the specific mind-altering chemicals produced by the fungus, hoping to decode its advanced neurological control. They have discovered complex molecular compounds that can manipulate animal behavior with pinpoint precision, a feat human medicine cannot duplicate. The sheer horrifying reality of this parasite reminds us that the most terrifying monsters are real, operating quietly in the undergrowth. Nature operates on a brutal, unyielding system where survival requires absolute vigilance against invisible, mind-controlling predators hidden in plain sight. As evolution continues to refine these biological weapons, the boundary between independent living creatures and mindless puppets becomes terrifyingly thin. The zombie ant fungus remains a haunting masterclass in evolutionary horror, proving that nature's dark secrets are infinitely stranger than fiction. The silent warfare in the undergrowth rages on endlessly, a continuous loop of infection, manipulation, and death beneath the jungle canopy. Until science can fully map this neurological takeover, the body snatcher of the rainforest stands as a chilling reminder of biological power. Please like the video and subscribe for more interesting facts.